Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make custard rasmalai. Begin by boiling milk and reducing it for paneer, then add lemon to curdle and strain immediately. Knead the chenna lightly until smooth, shape into flat rounds, and poach in simmering sugar syrup. Prepare custard with milk, cardamom, and a bit of saffron, then soak the cooled paneer rounds until they absorb the sweet custard. Make paneer by curdling hot milk with lemon juice, then strain through cheesecloth and press briefly. Knead the chenna until smooth and pliable, taking care not to overwork it, or it will become dense. Shape into uniform flat discs about 2 inches across so they soak evenly, and chill slightly before poaching to help them hold shape during cooking. Create the custard milk by whisking custard powder into a small amount of cold milk, then add this to warm milk while stirring. Add sugar, crushed cardamom, and saffron strands for aroma and color, and simmer gently until it thickens just enough to coat a spoon. Cool the mixture slightly before adding the poached paneer discs so they soak up the sweet custard without
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.